Hi guys, I wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can create an assignment where students can then turn in a picture of what they've drawn or what they've written with inside of Canvas. So the first thing you would want to do is go to your assignments. You'll want to add an assignment. We're going to call this picture practice. Okay, here you would type your directions, whatever you want for the students. I've also put them into the document that I'm going to share with the students. Okay, so we're going to come on down and we're going to do our submission type is going to be an external tool. We'll find that using our Google Assignments. Okay, and I am going to attach my picture test. We'll give it a due date. And we'll create it. Okay, so now I have my link in there for the kiddos. Also, just FYI, if you're wanting to be able to have students correct work that was done incorrectly or that needed to be fixed, you're going to want to change this unlimited to however many options you want to give them. Maybe they only get one redo or they can do it twice. And that way when you return and give feedback to students, they're able to fix it and submit it without creating an entirely new assignment. Just a tidbit. Okay, I am going to give this to my whole class. I'll set again that due date was Saturday. Okay, and I am going to save it. I'm not going to publish it just yet because I'm not quite there. So we can see our assignment here. Okay, and then when I look at my list of assignments, we find our picture practice. Now I want this to be at the top for the kiddos, so I'm going to put it at the top. Right up here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and I can publish it. And I could have done that within the assignment. Either way is fine. Okay, so that assignment is there. I am going to pause the video. I am going to log in now as a student so that you can see how they can turn in that picture of their writing. Okay, so here I am logged in as a student. I'll go to my assignments. I'll find my picture practice. I'm going to open the assignment. Click on the link. Now here I've given some kids some very specific directions, right? I tell them to click Insert, Image, Camera, we tell them to hold their paper as still as possible. We want to try to fill in that space with their work. And then they click the yellow. And we'll insert. You can move it if they want. There it is. Okay. They can make it bigger for you, or you could do that yourself when you go in to look at it and to grade it. So you'll notice here it only gives them the option to share. That's why you might be getting emails from your students and sharing in Drive rather than submission. They have to go back to their Google assignment and click the blue Submit button. And we're submitting it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. I'm going to log back in as a student, or as the teacher, so that you can see what their writing looks like when they will turn it into you. Okay, so here we are logged back in now as the teacher. So if I go to my assignments, I can find that picture assignment. And then I can see that Shauna Pierce submitted the assignment. So I can click on it, open up her work, and then I'm able to read her work. Now, it's going to be super important that we talk to kids about holding the paper really still. And if they insert a picture and then they look at it and they can't read it, they should delete it and try to hold it still and take it one more time. This is much easier to do like on an iPad, holding it up above it. But I took this on a Chromebook and didn't have any issues. So from here, I could give Shauna 100 because it looks great, or 1,000. I could leave her feedback like work on your word spacing, or it could be your punctuation, whatever you want, and then I can return that to Shauna. And that's it, friends. That's how we can collect that writing from students.